Hi, how you doing? This is Mike from Harris Water Main and Sewer Contractors. Thank you for watching this video. Just before we get started, if you could please like, comment, and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. So there's been a really big rule change in DEP regarding water mains. Now, this rule came into effect August 1st of this year. Now, the rule is that now all water services are required to have curb valves. Now, how is this different? Before August 1st of this year, curb valves were only required on sprinkler lines, combined water services, and domestic water mains larger than 3 inches. So this rule now will affect every water service that is installed in the New York City metro area. Now, what is a curb valve? For those of you who don't know, a curb valve is a main shutoff that is located under your sidewalk. It's basically an emergency shutoff valve for your home. So why is it important for a homeowner to be made aware of the new curb valve rule? Now, number one, this is the most important. If you recently went under contract with a plumber or recently had your water main replaced, check the permit date. Make sure that you have a curb valve if the permit date is after August 1st. If you don't have a curb valve, then you can be subject to a violation from DEP and you will be required to install one, which means you may have to pay your contractor to do it or get your contractor to do it for you. So very important, check the permit date. And number two, it's more of just a physical appearance. Before your water main was installed, your sidewalk was just straight concrete, you didn't see anything. Now after the job's done and the sidewalk is re-cemented, you're gonna see a metal cover. That metal cover is your curb box and it gives you access to your curb valve below your sidewalk. The biggest effect it's gonna have on your homeowner is the cost. Now the cost is much greater to install a curb valve to the water main. It takes more time. Maybe before we had to do a curb valve, we didn't have to excavate the sidewalk. Now we have to excavate the sidewalk. We gotta cement the sidewalk. If there's any trees in the area, there might be an arborist. So there could be greater cost with having to install a curb valve. So that's the major reason it can affect you. Now, there are some benefits to having a curb valve. Now, in our opinion, the greatest benefit of having a curb valve is now you have a secondary source to shut your water main off. So what do I mean? Before you had a curb valve, if you didn't have one, the only way to shut the water main off would be by your main control valve inside your home. Now, if that fails, the only way that you can shut your water main off is by opening the roadway and shutting it off at your tap connection. Now you have a curb valve that gives you a secondary option to get your water main shut if you have to do a repair on the inside. So with the new curb valve rule, it does come with some challenges to a homeowner. Now the challenge is maybe you're tempted to exercise your curb valve. Believe me, leave this to a professional plumber or someone who is trained in how to exercise a curb valve. They could easily be damaged, which will result in a possible breakage or a leak, which will result in more money to get it repaired. Thank you for watching our video. Again, if you could please like, comment, and subscribe, it would be greatly appreciated. If you have any questions regarding your curb valve or your water service, please feel free to contact us. Thanks again.